Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. I've just popped out, it's about 11:30, I'm hungry and I thought I'd pop out, get a bite to eat and then have a quick little run around and knock a short one out for you. That short vlog video. So I'm at my favourite chicken kebab shop. Yeah, with garlic sauce, please.
Just a moment, please.
Yeah. And then we're going to run around and have a little look, only a little one, just to look around. I've been packing up all my gear. So I went out today, bought some boxes, and we're ready to roll. So I've just ordered my chicken kebab for 60 baht. Little meal on its own, and I might let you watch me eat it, I'm not sure yet. So he's got a few customers in front, so I'll wait.
Garlic sauce. Eat now or take away?
Eat now.
Eat now.
I'm hungry.
Hungry. Not angry, okay? Hungry.
No, never angry. I'm never hungry.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I think I'm going to enjoy this. 60 baht, £1.20 our bag. Right, I'll eat this and then we'll have a look around. Speak to you soon. Right, I've had my kebab and I'm in LK Metro and I'm going to pop in. Touch a go-go, it's a new go-go. A mate of mine said it's very good. It's been open about 3 months. I haven't been in. They won't let me take you in there, so I don't know what to do. I'll see you shortly. I'll let you know how it was. Just come out of touch a go-go. Touch, don't look. It was very good. Good in there. Various states of undress. One was wearing a nice little tattoo on her shoulder. So, good night. Was busy in there. Very good. So onwards and upwards, let's go and see what else there is about. Home now. I only popped out to get a kebab because I was hungry. I'm packing my stuff away, ready to move the weekend. Hey, I ended up in a touch go getting 6 naked women, massage, and spent about £8, £9, yeah, about 450 baht. So that's not bad for going out for a kebab, is it? Couldn't do that anywhere else, only in Pattaya. Go out for a kebab, ended up in a go-go bar, 6 naked ladies having a massage and spending £9. Pattaya's unbelievable. Anyway, 855 subscribers at the moment as it stands. It's unbelievable, and I thank each and every one of you so much, ever so much. I really, really do. It's growing fast. Looks like it's going to be a full-time job. Trying to reply to each and every one of you that makes a comment is difficult, but I think I'm getting there. Some vlogs are old and they're still having comments on. I'm thinking, what was that? Oh right, and finding it. It is difficult to do because you do still get comments from blogs that were weeks and weeks ago. So if I don't reply, I have read of and tried to find. It is very. I didn't realise how difficult that part was. But the main thing, 855 subscribers, and like I say, I thank each and every one of you so much. Thank you very much. And maybe, hopefully, the weekend I'm starting to look to sort out for the 1,000 subscribers milestone. I hadn't even thought about it so soon. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, between packing and sorting out for a milestone 1,000 subscribers. So anyway, if you like my little vlog, and that's a shorty till I started getting on, give me a thumbs up and a like, share, please subscribe, they'll still be coming, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much, good night, and God bless.